Section 2.1, exercise 20. Look at that one. Now, these exercises 11 through 20 are just like exercises 5 through 10, they just use different wording. So in 5 through 10, they said find the slope of the tangent line, and in 11 through 24, I guess it is, they say find the derivative. They're the same thing. So now, though, in this case, we are finding the general derivative function because they don't give us a particular point. Okay, so in this case, as I look at 20, I have that f of x is equal to x cubed plus x squared. Now, to find that derivative, f prime of x, I need to take the limit as h goes to 0. Here's a place where h is so much better than delta x for just writing. Now, I have my f of, well, I'm going to go ahead and write it, f of x plus h minus f of x over h. Now, again, you have to be very careful about substituting your x plus h in. So this is the limit as h goes to 0. Now I have something cubed, so that's x plus h, plus something squared, so that's x plus h. And then minus x cubed plus x squared, all divided by h. So now, big time algebra stuff. I have this binomial that I need to cube. Well, what I know is that that has a certain pattern. It's x cubed plus 3x squared h plus 3xh squared plus h cubed. And then we have plus x squared plus 2xh plus h squared. So that took care of those two items. Now minus, I'll have to get ugly here with the minus x cubed and minus x squared, all divided by h. So again, nicely, what will typically happen, especially with these powers, polynomial type things, you know, there's an x cubed, there's a minus x cubed, there's an x squared, there's a minus x squared, everything else on top has an h in it. And so this is the limit as h goes to 0. Now, what do I have in the way of any like terms? None. Okay, nothing looks alike. So I'm just going to go ahead and factor an h out and call that h over h times the limit as h goes to 0 of what's left. So I took an h out of that term, so I get 3x squared. Then that term plus 3xh plus h squared from there, plus a 2x here, and plus h finally. All divided by 1, or just don't bother dividing it by anything. And so again, you know, this is 1, and here I can do direct substitution, and so I end up with the 3x squared plus 2x. And there is my derivative function at any given value of x. 3x squared plus 2x. So that's number 20. Let's see. So I think I'm going to do 24 now. I didn't actually assign any problems like this, but wow, what a great quiz question or something like that then. You know, or a test question or something along those lines. So, oh, well, I'm done with this one, so let me get out of here.